Here is a very good reason, regardless of the industry or business size, as to why your business needs SEO to take your brand to the next level. Implementing SEO strategies across a brand's digital platforms is indeed commendable. However, if this is a short-term endeavour due to budget limitations or other factors, and the website isn't consistently reassessed over time, it will eventually plateau in its progress due to external barriers. The dynamic evolution of the search landscape, largely driven by Google's discretion, necessitates ongoing vigilance to remain ahead of competitors and ideally maintain a presence on page 1. Proactively staying ahead of substantial algorithm shifts invariably bestows advantages on the brands that adopt such practices. Considering Google's multitude of algorithm modifications each year, falling significantly behind could pose substantial challenges to recover. SEO professionals play a pivotal role in ensuring that such setbacks are averted. If you've liked what you've seen and heard in this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any more great tips or advice. If you want our team to help you with your marketing, why not contact our digital marketing agency, absolutemedia.uk. You can get a free consultation and take the first steps into launching your traffic to the next level. All details are in the description below.